Here we're going to be inspecting web server meta files for possible information leakage. Web servers usually generate certain files or directories that store essential data. These files provide useful insight if someone knows where to look. Such files we're particularly interested in here are the robots.txt file or the version control system files such as .git or .svn. Let's go ahead and open up this section within the guide. Scroll down to robots. Okay, here we go. So the robots.txt file is a file found in the root directory of a website. It's usually used to give instructions about the site to web robots, also known as crawlers or spiders. The main reason we're interested in this file is because it can sometimes divulge information that is not intended for public viewing. For instance, if there are directories or files that the administrators do not want to be indexed by search engines, they will list them in the robots.txt file. This gives us basically a map of where to look and also where the administrators don't want us to look. In addition to robots.txt, we should also be looking for sensitive files that may be exposed, such as .htaccess for an Apache server or .env for files that often contain environment variables and other secrets. If these files are accessible by the public, they can present significant security risks. Another technique to gather data about a website is through its meta tags. Meta tags are snippets of text that describe a page's content, but they don't exactly appear on the page itself. They only exist in the page's code. These tags can provide valuable information about the website's purpose, as well as its target audience and essential keywords. Meta tags are found to be useful in SEO, search engine optimization, because they can influence how a web page is described in search engine results, which can ultimately affect its click rate. However, meta tags can also reveal information that could help an attacker, such as technologies used on the site, page description, author, and other information. The next point of investigation is sitemaps. Sitemaps are files that provide a roadmap of a website's content. They're designed to help both users and search engines navigate the site. They can provide valuable information about the structure of the site and can reveal directories or files that an attacker could potentially exploit. Last but not least, we should review the security.txt file and the human.txt file for any unintentional information leakage. The security.txt file is a proposed standard which allows websites to define their security policies. This file is meant to provide contact details or instructions for security researchers to report security vulnerabilities. The humans.txt file, on the other hand, is a simple text file which gives credit to the people behind the website. While these files are designed to be public, they can also contain sensitive information that could aid an attacker. Now let's take a look at what a robots.txt file looks like. Let's go over to hackthesite.org. This is a training site. We'll go robots.txt. This is pretty much what a robot text file looks like. It will show either allow or disallow and show the ultimate file paths that the administrators don't want us to look at. Now to view a site's meta tags, you can right click a blank space, go view page source, and here are all the meta tags. An effective way to get them highlighted is to use the Control F or any way to search the web page and type in meta. As you can see here, I have the keyword meta typed in, and I know that the word meta is in here 26 times. Next, taking a look at sitemap. would look like /sitemap.xml. As you can see here on this site, this is not a file that you can visit publicly, but we can still try to navigate to security.txt or human.txt just to see if that is available. Security.txt is available. This is where the security researchers could find contact information to properly report findings on the site. Let's go ahead and check if humans.txt is available. As you can see here, they blocked access to humans.txt. Keep in mind that these files may not exist on all websites, or they simply may be in different locations.